Hi, I'm Nick with Dorman Products, and I'm here to talk to you today about our oil pans. The oil pan is just what it sounds like, a pan that's usually located at the bottom of the engine. It's where the oil pump and pickup reside, as well as most of the crankshaft. You may hear it called an oil sump too. Traditionally, oil pans were made of steel, and many still are, but aluminum and plastic ones are being used due to their light weight. In case of plastic, it offers low cost and the ability to be molded into complex shapes. Pans are replaced for a few reasons. One is rust through. Despite containing oil on the inside, the exterior of the pan hanging low in the engine catches debris, rainwater, and salty slush in the wintertime. This is reasonably rare, but does happen after decades of service. Some pans need replacement because they've been punctured or dented. A punctured pan will not hold oil, causing a lack of lubrication for the engine. A dented pan is a problem because it can hit the spinning crankshaft inside or dislodge the oil pump. Usually, this damage is caused by running over something in the roadway. Another common reason for oil pan replacement is stripped drain plug threads. Pans contain a threaded bung where the drain plug threads in. Because the service is both frequent and often tackled by DIYers and junior technicians, the plug threads can be damaged. Sometimes the pan is repairable, but often the solution is simply a new pan. Dorman sells oil pans that are made of the same material as the original pan. We don't substitute cheaper material. We also e-coat or powder coat as the manufacturer did for longevity and rust protection. And if the OE has baffles in the pan, guess what? We also baffle our pans and follow suit. Our pans also include a new drain plug. When selling a pan, the source of failure is important to consider. In the event of rust or stripped threads, you'll want to recommend a new oil pan gasket, an oil plug gasket, oil, and an oil filter. Pan mounting hardware is generally reused, but if your customer needs it, Dorman has some limited options. If the pan was damaged due to running something over, it would pay to ask about other damage further behind the oil pan. Often one item can take out multiple parts under a car. Your commercial customers will know what's involved with this job, but walk-in DIYers may not. Usually this is a very straightforward job, but sometimes a front drive axle or front cross member or an oil pump pickup tube can make this job difficult or impossible. At times, jacking the motor up can be the best way to replace the gasket, and in others, removal of the offending item is the correct way to gain access. In either event, the job is not always easy. Special tools generally are not needed, but a set of our oil pan alignment pins can also help the job go smoothly and ensure a leak-free installation. And this is usually the time to perform an oil change as the oil is already being removed from the pan. It will be obvious to some customers, but some will benefit from being told. And remember, if you need any help before, during, or after the sale, our Dorman technical support team is always handy to help. You can reach them at 1-866-933-2911. Thanks for taking a little time to brush up on oil pans. We hope it helps you and your customers. I'll see you soon.